Today I'm showing you how to change the language on your Android device. Let's get started. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Find System Settings. Scroll down and tap System or General Management depending on your device manufacturer. Go to Languages, tap Languages or Language and Region. Select Languages. Tap Languages or System Languages to see available language options. Add New Language. Tap Add a Language or the plus icon to see the full list of available languages. Choose your language, scroll through the list, and tap on the language you want to use. For example, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Arabic, etc. Select Region if needed. Some languages have regional variations, for example, Spanish, Spain, or Spanish, Mexico. Choose your preferred region. Set as default. The language is added to your list. Long press and drag it to the top of the languages list to make it your primary language. Confirm change. Your Android device immediately switches to the new language. All menus, settings, and system apps now display in your chosen language. Remove old language if optional. To remove languages you don't use, tap the three dots, select Remove, choose the languages to delete, and tap Remove. Language priority. If you keep multiple languages, the order determines which language apps will use. The top language is always the default. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on your Android device.